Your question is find the center, transverse and conjugate axis, eccentricity, foci, vertices, rectus rectum, directrix by equation of hyperbola. The equation they have given what? 9x square minus 16y square minus 18x plus 32y minus 151, that is equal to 0. So you can see they are in zigzag way, but here see that what they have asked. They have asked the center. That means center is shifted somewhere. That we have to find it out, and that too in hyperbola equation. What is that? So if we write in hyperbola, if it is a normal hyperbola, what is the equation? It will be just like this: x minus h whole square by a square minus x minus k whole square by b square, that is equal to 1. So this is your equation for a hyperbola where h and k are the coordinate of the center. Center coordinates are h comma k. So now we have to make this equation in this form. How it will be? So first what we will do, just we will take x. Here x square is there, here x is there. And here y square is there, here y is there. Now you can see in x 9 is common. 9x is common. We can say 9 is common. So 9 is common. Therefore what we will get here? X square minus 2x, and here minus 16, or you can say okay, minus 16 is common, so we will write that only. So here we will get y square minus 2y, and this 155 we will bring to right side, it will become plus 155. So this will be equal to 155, 151. Now we want to make like this. How it will be? So now what we will do? Just we will try to make them. So here if we add 1, it will be what? X minus 1 whole square. That means we have added 1 here, we should add here also 1. See this. Here also we will add 1. So that means here also we should add 1. But do not add 1 here. Why? Why means this is the multiplication of 9. That means we should add 9 here. And here also we should add minus 16. Minus 16. Now solve this. What we will get? We will get now 9 into x minus 1 whole square. Here minus 16, and again you will get y minus 1 whole square. That is equal to, now 151 plus 9 is 160. 160 minus 16 is 144. So we will get 144. Now at the right side we have to make 1. That means everything we should divide it by 144. So here divided by 144. Here also divided by 144. Here also divided by 144. What we will get? So here we will get what? 16. 1 by 16. That means you will get x minus 1 whole square by 16. Here what we will get? 1 by 9. And here we will get y minus 1 whole square. That is equal to 1. Now this is in this form. Now we can find out the center. Yes, we can find out. How we can find out? Center is h and k. This and this. Both are in minus. So here also minus is that. That means h is 1 and y is 1. So we can say h is equal to 1, k is equal to 1. So these are the center coordinate, that is 1, 1. Next comes your, see this. Now start comparing. A square is equal to 16. A square is equal to 16 and B square is equal to 9. Therefore, we can say A is 4, B is 3. Now comes to your transverse. So transverse, you can see A is greater than B. That means it lies on, at the same time your right side is 1 only. So we can say that it lies on x-axis. So transverse is x-axis. So here we can write transverse. What is that? 2a. That is equal to, we can say it's 8. So transverse is 8. Next comes your conjugate. Conjugate is 2b. That is equal to 6. Now comes to your eccentricity. What is that? So we can say eccentricity formula is what? Root under 1 plus b square by a square. Now put the values. So here if we put the values, what we will get? Root under 1 plus b square. So b square is what? 9. So we will get 9 by 16. Therefore you will get root under, take the LCM, it will be 16 plus 9 by 16. That is equal to 25 by 16. That is equal to 5 by 4. So eccentricity is 5 by 4. Next comes to your foci. So we know focus. So foci is what? The coordinate of foci is plus minus AE, comma 0. So this is the standard where the center lies at 0. But here the center is shifted. So first we will find out AE. What is that? So we can say A is 9. Sorry, A is 4. So A is 4 and E is 5 by 4. 4 and 4 gone. That means 5. So for the center 0, the foci is plus minus 5 comma 0. But here the center is 1 comma 1. So what is our that? So what we will write? Just we will write like this, plus minus 5 plus 1. This is your x and this is your y, comma 1. Now, if you solve this, what we have to do? One time we have to take plus, another time we have to take minus. Therefore, the focus vertices is what? So that means it will be 6, comma 1 and minus 4, comma 1. So these are the coordinates of the focus. One time we have to take plus, another time we have to take minus. Next comes your vertices. So vertices. So vertices is what? So it is a plus minus a comma 0. When the center is 0 comma 0, now it has changed to this value. So what we have to do? Plus minus a. A is 4. Plus 1 comma and y is 1. So therefore one time we have to take plus. That means 4 plus 1 is 5 comma 1 and another is minus 3 comma 1 when we are taking negative. So these are the coordinate of the vertices. Next comes your lactus rectum. So lactus rectum formula is what? That is equal to 2b square by a. Substitute the value. We will get 2 into 9 by 4. Just cut it. So here we will get 9 by 2. So this is the lactus rectum. Next comes your directrix. What is that? Directrix of equation. So we can say its directrix is x is equal to plus minus a by e. So here substitute the value. What we will get? We will get plus minus a. A is 4 and E is 5 by 4. That means 5 will come here and 4 will come here. That means it will be plus minus 16 by 5. So this is the directrix when your center is 0 comma 0, but it has shifted. Therefore what we will do? We have to add 1 here. So one time we will take plus, another time we will take minus. That means if you take plus, you will get x is equal to 16 plus 5 is 21 by 5. And another time, what is that? It will be x is equal to 16 minus 16 plus 5 is minus 11. Minus 11 by 5. So these are your measures. We have to find it out like this.